That's best. Bilang bats. Bat apa sih? Yang lain apa nih? Wah, I think Travis and run two, don't walk. And now the ball is with play number 9. Play number 9 shoots it ahead with to play number 15, and play number 15 passing it to Kenneth. Play number 2 going right ahead to play number. Now the ball with play number to pass it, and here the ball with play number 15. Play number 15 running ahead the ball. Play number 15 crossing, however it comes back again. That's reflection. Now play number 15. Now the play number 2 taking the ball ahead, passing it to play number 17. Play number 17 taking the ball ahead and passing. Play number taking still has the ball and he passes it to play number 11. But play number 8 goes right after the ball. Play number 8 has the ball with him, and play number 11 takes the ball ahead. Play number 7 taking the ball behind play number 3, checking him. And now here the ball is with play number 9. Play number 9 passes to play number 2. Play number 2 takes the ball ahead and he passes it to play number 9. Play number 9. Play number 2 taking the ball, but play number 14 shooting it ahead. Play number 12 has the ball. Play number 14 passing it ahead to play number 9. Play number 9 takes the ball. Now play number 9 taking the ball. Player number 9 of NBC shooting the ball, passing the ball to. Here's a try! That was a very nice chance for the NBC to score. However, we can see that the ball it went right above the goal post. Going against another. Play number 8 passing to play number 2. Play number 2 going ahead and passing to play number 9. And passing to play number 8, play number 4 shoots it ahead, but 2 is late to take the ball and nakabalikai. Two. Hello? Hey, can you go on the gym? And that's what a brilliant save. Here goes the whistle. And that's also a save. So we are still in a draw. That's a goal. So currently the again, here's the score and we have a draw. In a goal. Maulai leading with 1. Player 15. That's a goal! Once again, we are in a draw.
Saisin nagabanta ka por nakarpat ya ka NBCA persya ya ka Fate Fighters sekabahaban long ke balapan krek. We request both team, the NBCA and the Fate Fighter, to please be ready. We are running short of time, so we request both team to please be ready. Once the match is over, please be on the ground. We will start right away. Maula. So we request both team, Fate Fighters and the NBCA, to please be on the ground. We will start the match right away. Tengah kerpat nagabantay ki Sopata jong Maulai kumjo ka NBC ska pa ai ka jing thap ti ka jam nagabantay ka jong ki. Am dami ka skap jaring idan kumne. Manai men sim nagabantay ki ni players buat dapeng ka jing ship jong ka singi ka tre sitam. Manile kain penitnat nagabantay jong ki nong pait kai. Te sai sim ni kerpat nagabantay jong pi paro ska bahaban ship kya. Ba ai ka jing thap ti. Banyaklah manai men sim nagabantay ki ni players. Sai sim nagkerpat ka Fate Fighters. All the players of Fate Fighters. Ki player jong Fate Fighters ka bahaban na po madan. Tiada ka bas ko burom na kabata ki player kanong thamai. Sko bahaban mi no na po madan kanang baga ni ka match ka babut ngi yawan Sdang ka kapor ka babyang. Mengin kam yo kapor ki minute manile kai na kabanta ki ni ki match. Te sai sisi na kerpat na kabanta jong pi baro ki para
So both the captains are here. That the ball with Fate Fighters passing among themselves. NBC slowly marching forward. Clement taking the ball and passing it. Oh, but the ball was slow. Again the ball with Fate Fighters. Passing. Fate Fighters passing it among themselves. Pin number 13 taking it. The ball is with NBC and play number 2 running ahead and that was too far. The ball is with NBC now. NBC takes the ball ahead and NBC passes right ahead. Takes a try but could not. There was NBC taking the ball and taking it, passing it to themselves. But there was a miss. Passing, but the ball was stopped. NBC again taking the ball. NBC running ahead, but that's an out. But it falls down and the ball with Fate Fighters. Fate Fighters taking the ball ahead, passing it to their teammate. Again, taking the shot. 91. That's a save. That was too far. Ahead. Passing it to the team. But they lose the ball. Fate Fighter. Oh. Passing it to the teammate. That's a foul. That was a nice pass. Again we have the ball with NBC. NBC taking the ball ahead, passing it to the team. taking it ahead. That was a nice pass. Now the Fate Fighters have the ball. And NBC and Fate Fighters fighting against themselves. Going against each other, taking the ball ahead. And here's they have a chance for the goal. NBC taking a shot and taking the goal! The first goal for NBC. Through passing again among themselves, they have scored a goal against their teammate. That's a nice pass. Fate Fighters having the ball, passing it to their teammates. Fate Fighters